Hello viewers, today we are talk about George D. Espagnet, 1870 to 1950. George D. Espagnet, born on 14 August 1870 in Villeneuve, France, was a distinguished French artist. Known for his vibrant color palette and fluid style, his work traversed the realism of Impressionism and Post Impressionism, merging his personal vision with the techniques of these two major artistic movements of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. D. S. Spagner's painting, illustration, and stage design, while grounded in his era's artistic currents, reflects a distinctive individuality that paced him apart from many of his contemporaries. His career was deeply intertwined with his cultural format of fine Cecil, France, a time of transformation in art, politics, and society. D. Espagnes grew up in an intellectual family in Paris where he was exposed to the cultural and artistic vibrancy of the city from an early age. Despite not coming from a family of artists, his parents encouraged his creative inclinations, allowing him to pursue his passion for art as a young man. D. Espagnet enrolled at the École des Beaux-Arts in Paris, where he was introduced to the rigorous tradition of academic painting. However, he quickly became disillusioned with the constant of the classical approach and sought inspiration beyond the academy. In the 1890s, he frequented the Montmartre district, a hub for even great artists. This movement neighborhood brought the Espagnet into contact with emigring figures such as Pierre Auguste Renoir, Paul Cézanne, and Claude Monet, among others. These influences helped shape his artistic vision, through he would ultimately forge his path. D. S. Pagnet's work is marked by his loose, expressive brushwork and a keen sense of color. Early in his career, he was associated with the post Impressionist movement, a period where artists like Cezanne, Vincent van Gogh, and Paul Gauguin were pushing the boundaries of the Impressionist style. D. Espagnet admired this artistic ability to combine the fleeting effects of light with a more abstracted emotional interpretation of the world around them. His painting often depicted intimate domestic scenes, lush landscapes, and figure in relaxed everyday setting. Unlike the strictly observational nature of traditional Impressionism, D. S. Pagnet's work included us subjective emotionally, making his canvases feel personal and imbued with an almost dreamlike quality. His figures, particularly in his later work, often appear softly outlined, blending into their surrounding rather than standing out sharply against them. These techniques lend his work a hazy, almost poetic atmosphere. In addition to his use of color and brushwork, D'Espagnet's composition were blends and harmonious. He often used gently curved lines, drawing the viewer's eye inward to the center of the scene. His love for natural beauty was evident in the way he painted flowers, gardens, and the French countryside, always with a subtle blend of light and shadow that conveyed depth and tranquility. Beyond his canvas work, Georges D. Espagnes was a talented illustrator. His illustration appeared in several publications contributing to the cultural milieu of the time. He worked on illustrated books, collaborating with poets and writers, bringing to life literary works with his